Hey guys, welcome back to another stock market game plan video. In today's video, we have a lot to discuss. Remember, the intentions of this video is to let you guys know exactly how to make money in the stock market today, where to buy, when to buy. This video has a lot of value, so make sure to watch until the end. So the first thing we're going to look at is the dollar DXY, because the dollar has a big influence on where the market is going to go next. So as you can see, we've touched this support level 1, 2, 3 times now, right? Now the odds of us breaking below this are pretty high, because the more times you touch a support or resistance, the more chances of them actually breaking, right? So if we break this, our next level of support would be at this support right over here, so at $99, just under $100. Maybe we'll even bounce at $100 since it's such an even number, but around that range is where you would expect to see a bounce. Now the reason this is so important is because, remember, when the dollar goes up, that's usually bearish for the stock market, and when the dollar goes down, that's usually bullish. So keep an eye out for what the dollar is doing. Okay, and next we have the NASDAQ. So I'm already in a short position on the NASDAQ, and I'm looking to add on to that short position. Now, when it comes to the S&P and NASDAQ usually goes higher faster than the S&P, and it also goes down faster than the S&P. But right now, it is way higher than it should have went. So if you compare how much higher the NASDAQ is to the S&P, the last time this ever happened was like in 1999 to 2000, so during the dot-com bubble. So it's been a long time since something like this has happened. If you look at the charts, we're approaching this strong level of resistance. There's a gap fill just under it too, right over here. Now you can enter at the gap fill or over here at the top of the pivot point. It doesn't really matter, it's very close together, but that's where you want to look to enter a short position. Okay, and next we have Nvidia, which is a no-brainer short, and it's one of my biggest short holdings right now. So it's at this strong level of resistance because of this trend line and because of this pivot point right over here. But if you zoom in, you see that we're in a bear flag. Now, if we break below this support level right over here, that's when Nvidia is in some serious trouble. If we break below it, expect the target all the way down to around $230, and then of course worst case scenario $210, and that's just before we see a bounce. I do think we're going to go a lot lower, but for a swing trade, those are the two levels to keep an eye on to take profits at. Okay, and next we have Twilio, ticker symbol TWLO, which is another really good quality company, and it fell 14% today after earnings. Now, if we can get to this support level at $40.87 within the next 2 days, that's where I'll be interested in entering a long position. I'll let you guys know in my future videos whether I entered or not, so you guys can enter with me. Okay, and last but not least, we have Bitcoin, which a couple of videos ago I told you that its max upside is $30,000 because of this strong level of resistance and the fact that it's such an even number. And as you can see, we pierced through it and then rejected it. Now, if you go into the 10-minute time frame, we did form a topping tail today and then consolidated and crashed. Now, if you see over here, we've tagged the support level many times now, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th time. I do expect a break below, and once that happens, our target will be at $25,200 to $24,000. So look to take profits at these two levels right over here. Okay guys, so remember to never be a bull or a bear when you're trading. Simply look at the charts and make a decision off what they're telling you. Now, I do have my macro opinions, but I never let them interfere with my short-term swing trading or day trading. Okay, but that's it for this video, guys. The point of this video was educational purposes, and of course, letting you guys know where I'm looking to buy, sell, short, or take profits so that you guys can do it with me and make the same amount of money. Now, if I brought any value to your day, all I ask is that you hit the thumbs up and follow for more.